Okay, so let's start with a very simple question. I am a big fan of Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. How many of you are a fan of it? Wow. But that's it. मुझे तो कुछ और पता लगा है. What is the best part you like about Facebook? Yes, man. Facebook का best क्या लगता है? हाँ बच्चे.
Connects people.
It
Connects people.
Great.
Jokes.
Jokes. Okay. Facebook joke. Great. Best part about Instagram. One by one. Yes, ma'am. Latest updates. Great. Okay. So let me just come with a very simple question. So are we getting anything from the Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram in terms of revenue, money basically? Okay, great. How many hours are we spending every day on that? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, depends upon interest. Yes? Yes? Okay. How many of you have attended a motivational seminar which says that you should, a seminar जहां ये बताया जाए कि चलो Facebook पे time spend करो. My question is very simple and again asking you the question. How many of you need a motivation seminar on spending time on Facebook, Instagram or Snapchat? Do you need a seminar like this? No. Why? Yes?
You're already motivated to.
Absolutely right. And why are you motivated? Great. Why are you motivated, beta?
Interest.
Absolutely right. Bullseye. Spot on. So why? Because she said it rightly that interest नहीं है और पढ़ाई में interest बन भी नहीं सकता. Reason क्या है उसका? Practical reason. Interest इसलिए नहीं है because some set of the students feel that जो पढ़ाया जा रहा है और जो डिमांड है उसमें as a student who is of class 9 मेरी परेशानी क्या है? Means आपकी क्या है और मेरी क्या है? मैं तो ठीक हूँ. My problem is that I do not have genuine interest in academics. बिल्कुल सही है. I'm saying again 90% of you, 10% बच्चा मुझे बाहर जाके डांट सकता है. ठीक है? So I do not have a genuine interest in academics. मैं पढ़ता जरूर हूँ या पढ़ती जरूर हूँ. Reason because I have essays and FAs and tuition stupid work and बहुत ज़्यादा. ठीक है जी. The problem is obviously not with you. The problem is not with the teachers. The problem is not with the tuition teachers. The problem is obviously not with the parents. The problem is with a lack of driving force in you. 99% of the things which we do in life is because of the pleasure involved in doing it. Now, Facebook, social networking involves a lot of pleasure, lot of पता भी नहीं लगता टाइम कहाँ चला जाता है. हम आधे घंटे के लिए कमिटमेंट करते हैं, it goes to 1.5 hours. But when it comes to academics, 30 minutes looks like 1.5 hours. Vice versa. It's not, the problem is not with you, trust me. The problem is that we do not have, we means again all the girls, we do not have a genuine reason to study. That's a simple problem. And what is the solution? We need to attach our life with a dream which is too big and too motivating to ask all of her to come and step out of the comfort zone. नहीं तो कभी नहीं हम पढ़े, क्यों पढ़ोगे? There is no motivation. And motivation बातों से नहीं आती, डंडे से नहीं आती, सेमिनार से नहीं आएगी. Motivation will come the day you find a reason which is bigger than the reason of logging into Facebook or Instagram. And who can find that reason for you? You. Nobody. Only you. Only you and only you and only you. When you would be 25, 10 years down the line, let's shift it to 10 years down the line. Imagine you are a 25-year-old girl, and do you think that, be very honest with me, do you think that you can give a blame that I am not settled in life, I am not earning well in life because I was addicted to Facebook or Instagram? If you give this excuse, do you think anybody will buy that excuse?
No.
Then why are you giving excuses this in present time? We are, trust me. Your heart knows it that what you are doing is somewhere not good. Your conscience somewhere knows it that whatever you are doing, too much spending time on social networking is not going to help you. If you are, and let's face it, if we are doing some stuff which is killing our own conscience, but we still do it because we are too addicted to it. You see, mobile phone is a beautiful gadget. But in present generation, it has become a disease. And this disease is khatarnak than dengue or chikungunya, which is. Why? Because वो फिर भी seasonal है, winters में नहीं है. This was going to stay. I would suggest you the only thing you can do in the present scenario is give your heart and soul towards your academics and your overall development. Because that is something which you can do right now. I am not saying scoring A1 is the only thing which you should try to do. Scoring a good grade is a part of your growth. Don't attach your life to just grades. Attach it to the knowledge. Attach it to the right kind of attitude for building a successful professional. Not IIT करना should not be the सबका team IIT नहीं होता, सबका medical नहीं होता. You can do wonders, but you need to attach your life with
Goal.
with a dream which is too tantalizing to ask you to step out of your comfort zone. Yes. So what we have discussed so far in this workshop, the $1 billion industry of social networking.
Yeah.
The riches of the founders of all these the Snapchat and all that stuff, and they are not contributing anything to us, but we are contributing a lot to them. Yes.
Yes, sir.
They are not following Newton's third law, are they?
No, sir.
Yes. Obviously they are not. Then we come to that giving you a superficial advice कि यार पढ़ लो, this will not help you for beyond 2 days. What will help you is a attachment of your life to a dream. Because the moment you do it, the moment you start controlling your heart, the brain will start following its signals. And अगर आपको ये लगता है कि people you can be successful without deserving it, trust me, you're wrong. You need to deserve success. For deserving success, you need to stand out. For standing out, you need to do something which normal people are not doing. And for doing that, you need to be crystal clear with what you want to achieve from it. Crystal clear. The day you become crystal clear from here and here, ये सारी distractions आपको hamper भी नहीं होगी. You would laugh in your hindsight कि there was a time when you were in 9th class, you used to waste a lot of time in stupid stuff.